Hi guys, Harchadani here again with another healthy recipe. I am about to change your smoothie game. Now, what is the number one reason you do not get your fruits and vegetables in every day? I know it because it's the same thing I dread doing. Taking out the spinach, taking out the parsley, taking out the ginger, washing it, cutting it. The amount of time it takes to do all of those things could be upwards of 20 minutes to half an hour. Nobody has that to spend every day, so we choose to either take our greens in the form of a pill or powder. Now I'm gonna give you guys the way I do it. Every Sunday I meal prep, like you guys all should be. Now included in that meal prep, you should always think about how you are gonna make your family healthy. Now before going to pick up my kids from school, I am always running 5 minutes late, as is every single day guaranteed. But I remember that the kids need a smoothie when we pick them up because they are super hungry after school. It's the best time to hit them up with all these nutrients. And trust me when I say my kids would never eat this if I served it to them. In this bag here, I've got parsley, spinach, ginger, beetroot, carrots, and fresh turmeric. The kids would never eat that. It's way more than the amount that they need in a day. And I'm gonna add some fruits to it. So just whatever vegetables you have in the fridge, or you can use exactly the ones that I've listed here. Clean out your fridge on Sundays. You can put these all in here if the vegetables are questionable, about to go bad. Throw all your Ziplocs ready-made like this, so do 5 of them for the week, pop them in the freezer. All right, let's go. Frozen fruits. The reason I like to do frozen is because I don't have to add ice to it then, and the flavor from the fruit is what the kids will taste more of and they will enjoy it. Some strawberries, you can do pineapple, mango, whatever you have available. Now, you can find any kind of fresh juice, organic juice. I've got here 100% pure natural orange juice. So the ingredient is just orange juice. There's nothing added to it. So you can do cranberry juice, pomegranate, any of the fruits and vegetables that you maybe do not have available locally. You can get those in juice form and just add them to your smoothie. So we'll add some juice, and then the rest is water. Now, if you're watching this and you're just a big old bodybuilder without the kids, you do not have to add the juice to get it sweet. The fruit will make it sweet enough. And at this point, you can also add in your protein powder. So if you need 25 to 30 grams, you add in 1 scoop. You need double that, you add 2 scoops. My go-to is always vanilla flavor. It blends well with the vegetables and fruits. So there you go, and you're just gonna blend that up. And that's it, guys, it's blended. The longer you blend it for, the more it'll break down the fiber content in there, especially for kids. You can make it watery if you like it. If you want it really thick, you can do that. And there you go. And there you have it, your healthy breakfast protein smoothie.